Hello everyone, and welcome to ChatFlow's Choose a Cat bot tutorial. In this tutorial, we will demonstrate how to integrate Slack's advanced bot features into ChatFlow. First, we need to create a new app. Go to Slack's API application page and click on Create App. Currently, ChatFlow applications cannot be made public and can only be added to one Slack site. Once there, name the application. Note that the app name, short description, and long description fields are all required. For now, leave the redirect URIs field empty. We will set the redirect URIs later. When you are finished, click on Create App. Next, click on the bot users link on the left-hand side. Once there, click on Add Bot to this app. Name your bot, and then click on Add Bot User to finish. Now that we've initiated the process in Slack, let's go back to ChatFlow. Import the CatChoose application by either downloading the JSON file from the Slack tutorial page and importing it using ChatFlow's Import JSON feature, or clicking on Create New App and selecting Slack CatChoose under the Use a Sample Projects section. Next, download the NLU JSON file from the Slack tutorial page. Go to nlu.kit.ai, Kit AI's online natural language understanding software. Once there, import the NLU JSON. Once imported, click on Deployment Information and copy the deployment URL. Back in ChatFlow, open the Kit AI node and paste the deployment URL into the URL field. At the end of the URL you just pasted, add open bracket, open bracket, open bracket, payload, close bracket, close bracket, close bracket. Next, we need to configure slash command, interactive messages, and the redirect URI. Each one of these features needs its own callback endpoint. We can use the HTTP nodes to serve as the callback endpoint. Each HTTP node has a unique URL. In this example, there are 3 HTTP nodes. On the Slack application page, click on slash commands on the left-hand side. Then click on Create New Command. Enter the command name /randomcat in the command field. Return to your ChatFlow application. Double-click on the slash command node. Copy the final URL. Go back to the Create New Command page. Paste the final URL into the Request URL field. Don't forget to write a short description about the command. When you are finished, click Save. Next, let's set up interactive messages. Click on Interactive Messages on the left-hand side of the page. Then click Enable Interactive Messages. Return to your ChatFlow app and double-click on the Button Callback node. Copy the final URL. Paste the URL you copied into the Request URL field. Click on Enable Interactive Messages to complete the process. Lastly, we will set up the redirect URI. Click on App Credentials on the left-hand side of the page. Copy the client ID. Return to ChatFlow and double-click on the App Credential node. Paste the client ID from the Slack application page into the client_ID field. Repeat the entire process for the client secret. Double-click on the redirect node. Copy the final URL onto your clipboard. Double-click on the app credential node and paste the URL you just copied into the redirect_URI field. Back in the Slack application page, paste this URL into the redirect URI field. Now, we are going to connect our Slack application to our team. Note, you have to be an administrator for the team in order to connect the app to your team. To begin, click Deploy, and then Confirm Deployment. Go to the Slack button documentation. Scroll down to the Slack button and checkmark all the boxes. Then, click Add to Slack. Next, select your team and channel to integrate the ChatFlow app. Click Authorize. You will be redirected to another page. Copy the bot API token onto your clipboard. Back in ChatFlow, double-click the Slack in node, select Add New Select Bot Controller, and click the Edit button. Name the Slack token. Then paste the bot API token you copied from before. When finished, click Add. Double-click on the Slack Out node. If ChatFlow has not already done so, select your token. And with that, click Deploy, and your application is ready to go. Go ahead and test your application in Slack. Happy cat choosing!